Oh, but it's bright now.
Yeah.
The angel of light is here. Whoa! He's Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey.
Good evening. We are back finally doing some actual interior work on Blue Sky after the cup races and the cockpit crawl and all the other distractions we've had. We got a whole weekend that we'll be able to do interior work before we go traveling to Phoenix and traveling to Atlanta and other sundry things. So yeah, we're getting just tons of stuff done. Anyway, what we want to do is we want to start covering the chimney.
And when we say chimney, it's the smokestack.
Well, no, it actually is the opposite of the smokestack. The air that the engines ingest for doing combustion of the diesel fuel, it pulls from the very top of the boat. So it's pulling fresh air from way up high, where in theory there's less salt mist and almost no salt spray because it's actually underneath the pilot house area. Anyway, it pulls the air all the way from there, all the way down the chimney, and then on, like we say, the chimney
down into the room
engine room.
and
Vents on either side of the engine room. That is where the warm air gets expelled. That's warm because the engines make it hot, and there's also exhaust lines too. And we put the insulation on there just because it is, atmospheric. So when it's 90 degrees outside, it'll be 90 degrees inside. Ta-da! So we'll do a crank screw there, and a crank screw there, and a crank screw there, and a crank screw there. Okay.
we are gluing up a support board for the poppet boards. And this is in the stairwell, down from the salon into the foyer. So we might have a wall around this thing this weekend. Gotta let the glue dry. Good morning. We are back working on the wall panels around this chimney area. And Bill got this poppet structure piece in. Looks good. Okay, last piece of poppet in.
Yeah.
Well, except we might put them up at the top.
We'll see how stiff they are and then decide whether we want to put the poppets in, but I think they'll be fine.
Either it just takes a long time or we're getting slower.
Well, slower. Well, we had a rough day yesterday.
That's right. Okay.
Yeah, we thought we were going to do an hour's worth of work on putting the hitch on the car, and it turned into a 4-hour, 5-hour ordeal.
Let's get to work on skinning this bad boy.
Okay, so I think that's the wonderful pattern we need to cut. Well, looks pretty good though.
tiny bit off that and that.
Okay.
Oh, now you're hitting there.
Yeah, now I'm hitting. Yeah.
Woohoo! That one's in. Is that one on?
Uh-uh.
Where's it hitting?
Center part right there.
One more cut.
This is all screwed up here at the bottom now. One more cut.
Will it fit?
This one hitting those wires.
One more cut.
Oh yeah. And I'll need a 1-inch brush. Some of these we could actually put backing blocks behind them and screw them in. We glued in the little poppet pieces, but then you have the specialized piece, which has a little pin on the front of it, and then grippers on the back, which fit the female poppet, and you stick it in. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this board up, and then we'll push this board against this, and it'll leave these little pin pricks onto the back of this, and then we'll take the male poppets and we'll screw them into those pricks, and then we'll be able to push it up here and lock it in place. Only get one shot at this, so you try to get the board as accurate as you can.
Do we get marks?
Yeah, got a mark.
Mark?
Got a mark. See a mark there and a mark there.
You saw one?
Yep.
Okay.
So now we're going to take this back and put in some of the other guys.
The male parts
Male
to those poppets.
Glue or something.
Pop it, pop it. Okay, attempt number 2. Pop it.
Here we go.
Woohoo! One panel in.
Yep.
It just took us all day long. Are we done for the night?
Yes, we are done for the night.
Happy Mother's Day to me from my youngest son, Nick, who is an awesome baker, and I'm sharing with Bill.
Perfect. Cool.
Nice.
One more panel done.
We're not gluing these poppets in anymore. We're screwing them in by just adding some backing like that piece.
Okie dokie. Final piece for today.
Okay, so we got that wall put in. Of course, it still needs to be routed and painted. And yesterday we did this, right? That wall.
We did that this morning.
Oh, we did that this
The only
morning?
thing we did yesterday was this panel.
We did this panel, but we need to redo it to fix how it joins up with the back wall there. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Hopefully other mothers
What did you do
did
on
not
Mother's
have,
Day?
did not have this fun.
Later.